In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your Wix website. This is a simple process that will take you less than 5 minutes from start to finish. So, whether you're setting up your new site or revamping your existing design, let's get started and give your website a fresh and professional look. First, we need to access the Wix website editor. If you're not already logged in, head over to Wix and sign in with your account credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select the site you wish to edit. This will take you directly to the Wix website editor. If your dashboard is crowded with multiple sites, make sure you're selecting the right one to avoid any unwanted modifications to your other projects. Now that we're in the editor, take a look at the left-hand toolbar. This is where you'll find all the elements you can add to your page. Find the plus icon, often labeled as Add. This is your gateway to all additional elements and site features. Click on it and you'll see a menu unfold detailing various elements you can choose from. In this menu you'll find an option labeled Image. It's specifically designed to help you add image-based elements to your website such as photos, illustrations, and most importantly your logo. Click on Image and you'll be presented with a new set of options. Next, click on Upload Images. This action will open a file selector window on your computer. Here you can search for and select the image file of your logo. If you've prepared your logo beforehand, this step should be a breeze. Ensure the logo file's format is compatible, such as JPEG or PNG, to maintain quality. To upload your logo, you can either click on Upload Images or drag and drop your logo file into the uploader directly. Dragging and dropping can be a quick and intuitive option if you have the file ready on your desktop. Once your logo has been uploaded, it will show up in your site's image library. Adding your logo to your website from here is straightforward. Simply select it from the library and watch as it appears on your page. Adjust its placement and size so it's visually appealing and positioned correctly on your site. Usually logos do best placed at the top left or center of a page for clear branding. And there you have it, your logo is now part of your Wix website. Your website's identity is now more pronounced, showing your visitors exactly who you are from the moment they arrive. If anything ever feels off, remember that Wix's editor is quite flexible, allowing you to go back and tweak it at any time. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope it was as easy and effective as promised.